Hi guys, welcome to this video, and here we're going to talk about another mount, and this one is a modular mount. It's actually very nice if you're looking at mounting both an antenna and an AP and an external antenna together. And it even works if you have multiple external antennas. So if you have like one AP and two external antennas, this bracket is modular enough so you can actually pick and choose the parts that you want to be able to mount everything. So this one is from a company called Oberon, and the name of it is 1312, and then they have different modules that you can purchase on top of it to make it fit whatever you want to do. And we've used this one in warehouse environments when the AP is under the ceiling truss. It's a very nice solution. It also comes with huge C-clamps that you can use to actually mount the main bracket to the ceiling truss, and then everything attaches to the main bracket. So if you have external antennas, I'll show you how that works, but you have the little extensions like these ones, these two here, that you can use to attach to the main bracket and attach your external antennas. So this is the main bracket. As you can see, you have a whole bunch of screw holes once again, so you can screw your AP bracket onto it. And if I flip it around, you'll be able to see that we can actually attach this to the ceiling in different fashion. You can use, a little pipe if you want to have, if you have electrical pipe. You can use the C-clamps as I was showing you to attach the size of it to a ceiling structure. You can also use those little holes to attach it to the ceiling using like some sort of wire. So it's very versatile in the way you can actually mount it to the ceiling, which is very nice. So if we want to install an AP on it, so I can take my AP bracket. This one is from Mist. I have my Mist AP next to me as well. And here what I can try to do is try to find the different screw holes that will kind of match my AP bracket. And as you can see here, I have two screw holes that matches my AP bracket. And I can use some of the screws that actually come with the package, and I can use these screws to kind of screw my bracket on. In this case, I have two screws, so you need to make sure it's securely placed, securely installed. And just like this, your AP bracket will be installed. And once your AP bracket is installed, I can slide in my AP and I'll be good to go. Before I slide in my AP, I want to show you the external antenna module. So I'm going to show you this one. This one is perfect if you have an antenna that has, those little circle installation module. And I have one here right with me, so I'll show you how that works. And so what you can do is, if you're planning on installing, the bracket facing down with the antenna facing down, you can actually, screw both of them together just like this, or I would say just like this. And then install, looking from the floor, you will see both the AP and the external antenna. So you'll be able to monitor the LED of the AP to make sure that everything is working properly. That's useful when the AP is 10 meters up. And at the same time, you have perfect, antenna propagation from your antenna installed under the ceiling. So that's perfect. And if I want to actually attach that module to my main bracket, I'm going to move this aside. I can, take those bigger holes, bigger screws here that I got with the bracket, and I can simply screw them on. So I'm just going to start manually, and then I'll finish with the screwdriver. Just like this. It's not too complex, and everything is provided with the antenna. So just making sure everything is installed properly, secured in place. I'm going to move it around so it's easier for me to secure it in place. So give me some resistance here. Here you go, just like this, it's installed, it's solid, as you can see, so let me struggle a little bit. It's solid, and then here, I can actually install my external antenna. And these ones are very nice. If I show you, I have one external antenna here, and they come with a little a ring here that I can unscrew just like this, and then I can take it out of the cables, and then what I can do is feed my cable through the main hole. Making a bit of a mess here. I'll do that one. So I can feed my cable through the hole. Here we go. Then I can put my circle back on and simply screw it on. So just like this, we could have our external antenna. And if I take my access point, I can install my access point as well here. And just like this, I have both the antenna and the external, the AP and the external antenna. And I could, you see how you have the connectors for the external antenna here. So I could, just connect the two together here. So this is nice. I will have, if I'm looking at it from the, from the floor, I'll see something like this. I'll see my AP, I'll see my external antenna, and both of them are visible, so I can actually monitor the LED. And this package, it comes with letters like this, stickers, which is nice because you could actually, label, if you have to label the AP number or the AP name, you can label it with the stickers. So this is awesome. Everything is kind of included. So it's a very versatile solution. And if you have a directional antenna and you want to give out some directionality to the signal, then they also have this module here, which is the external antenna module. And this one attaches to the side of the bracket just like this. So you could actually have both at the same time. And then you can actually use, this panel to kind of change the orientation of your external antenna. So if you want to give it some tilt, some different orientation, you have this bracket that's very flexible, that moves in every direction. So you can kind of find exactly what you want. You could have it, facing down if you wanted to, or you could, give it some sort of orientation and then attach it to the bracket, and that have that external antenna as well, that patch antenna mounted to this additional bracket. So a very versatile solution. You can find different ways of using it. Useful if you want to be able to see both the APs, monitor the LED, and see and have the external antenna properly installed. Very good for environments where you have high ceilings. And then if you have an access point on which you can connect two antennas, external antennas, then it's also a good solution. You can get the additional module and you can install everything attached to one AP bracket, which is very nice, less element to worry about. So this one was the Oberon 1312. It's a modular AP mount. You can find more information on it. We'll put a link in the description. If you have any questions or if you have any comments, feel free to leave a comment on the video, and then we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.